Alright, so I have this sink issue. It's off. Hot, I have nothing. Over here to the cold. It's leaking. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Alright, so the way that this one works, it's got a cartridge in here. One of these guys. That sits down in there. We're going to pop that out and replace it. Went ahead and shut the water off. This system here has a mana block. So the cover comes off. There's a screw right here. Phillips. Raise our pin facing here. This here is our locking pin. Now, I'm going to use this tool here. It's just going to screw right onto here. Alright, so I was able to get the old one out. Nasty worn out thing. We're going to replace it with a brand new one. Lower that guy right in there. Slight adjustment. Pop her down. Pull that guy off. Use our same clip on the back side here. That's where they had it. Pop it in. Tighten it up. Now this is the tricky part. I have this guy here. I have to get around here. want to try that. Turn the hot side on. See what way it goes. Alright, well there we go. Pop that cover back on the back here. Hot water, cold water. No more leak. No leak. That's how you replace a cartridge in your kitchen faucet. In the help of a core puller or cartridge puller. Great tool. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.